An engine produces power by mixing air and fuel together. Think of it as a mixing bowl. The bigger the bowl, the more ingredients you can hold. The more ingredients you can hold, the more power you can deliver. But a bigger engine adds weight, and if you're going from a 4-cylinder to a 6-cylinder, complexity as well. However, through thoughtful packaging and efficient design, we've been able to design an engine with more power and more torque that doesn't require any more space. So how did we accomplish this? Well, the turbocharged engine compresses the ingredients from this bowl into this bowl. The idea is now I can deliver all of the power without requiring a bigger engine or more cylinders.